The Principles for Digital Development provide a great framework for developing micro-credentials in a global context. They encapsulate and extend many of the effective practices recommended in this program. This short video provides a good introduction.
The Principles for Digital Development are a set of 9 living guidelines to help practitioners implement better technology solutions to development challenges. The principles are meant to help guide the creation of technology-enabled programs and tools so that development organizations can reach more people with life-enabling services more quickly and sustain those services to produce stronger and more sustainable outcomes. The Principles for Digital Development were developed by the digital development community for the digital development community. No matter your organization's size, sector, specialty, or geography, the principles can help you achieve your digital development goals. That's because the digital principles are informed by lessons learned from hundreds of practitioners all over the world. As living guidelines, they are also intended to be updated over time and refined to maintain their relevance as technology and innovation continues to progress. So what are the specific principles? They include design with the user, understand the existing ecosystem, design for scale, build for sustainability, be data-driven, use open standards, open data, open source, and open innovation, reuse and improve, address privacy and security, be collaborative. To learn more about each of them, visit digitalprinciples.org. You will also be able to access resources, ask questions on the Digital Principles Forum, and even become an endorser. Join an inclusive global community of digital change makers. Practice, endorse, engage. Stewarded by the Digital Impact Alliance.
The principles are maintained on a website along with supporting tools and resources in a community forum. Here is a quick overview of the 9 principles. User-centered design starts with getting to know the people you're designing for through conversation, observation, and co-creation. By designing with the users and not for them, you can build digital tools to better address the specific context, culture, behaviors, and expectations of the people who will directly interact with the technology. Well-designed initiatives and digital tools consider the particular structures and needs that exist in each country, region, and community. Dedicating time and resources to analyze the ecosystem or context where you work helps to ensure that selected technology tools will be relevant and sustainable and will not duplicate existing efforts. Designing for scale means thinking beyond the pilot and making choices that will enable widespread adoption later, as well as determining what will be affordable and usable by a whole country or region, rather than by a few pilot communities. By designing for scale from the beginning, your initiative can be expanded more easily to new users, markets, regions, or countries if the initiative meets user needs and has local impact. Building programs, platforms, and digital tools that are sustainable is essential to maintain user and stakeholder support, as well as to maximize long-term impact. A program built for sustainability is more likely to be embedded into policies, daily practices, and user workflow. When an initiative is data-driven, quality information is available to the right people when they need it, and they are using those data to take action. Data produced by a digital initiative should be used for more than just outputs. They should be indicators of the impact that the initiative is having. An open approach to digital development can help to increase collaboration in the digital development community and avoid duplicating work that is already being done. Programs can maximize their resources and ultimately their impact by taking advantage of existing investments where possible toward common goals for global good. Instead of starting from scratch, programs that reuse and improve look for ways to adapt and enhance existing products, resources, and approaches. Reuse means assessing what resources are currently available and using them as they are to meet program goals, Improve means modifying existing tools, products, and resources to improve their overall quality, applicability, and impact. Addressing privacy and security in digital development involves careful consideration of which data are collected and how data are acquired, used, stored, and shared. Organizations must take measures to minimize collection and to protect confidential information and identities of individuals represented in data sets from unauthorized access and manipulation by third parties. Being collaborative means sharing information, insights, strategies, and resources across projects, organizations, and sectors, leading to increased efficiency and impact. This principle brings all the others together in practice. People working in digital development have a shared vision to create a better world, and collaboration is essential to making this vision a reality. This website rewards deeper study.